Hello friends, myself CA Saurabh Jain, and today we will discuss about the requirement for filing of an LUT, the consequences for non-filing of an LUT, and the procedure for filing of an LUT. Now, in case of an export transaction without payment of IGST, or you can say a zero rated supply, so in that case, for the export of goods, export of services, and supply to the SEZ, the LUT is required to be filed for the zero rated supply. So in case if you are not filing the LUT, so you have to make an export with payment of IGST, and due to which your working capital will be blocked. And in case you are supplying to the SEZ, so in that case also you have to make payment of an IGST, and to avoid such situation the LUT is compulsory for the zero rated supply. Now what is procedure for filing the LUT? So you have to log into the GST portal, services, user services, and then after furnishing letter of undertaking. So in that case, first you have to select the financial year for which you have to file the LUT, and we are currently selecting 25-26. Now we have to upload the previous year LUT which is already filed, and we require two witness details, and the details is required to be mentioned the name of the witness, occupation, and the proper address of the witness. And once the witness details is filled up, so you have to preview the LUT and file the LUT accordingly for the respective financial year. In case if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.